The apartment below mine has been empty for years. It's listed by a local agency, but no one ever moves in. Occasionally, someone comes to view it, but the place stays silent. Or, it used to. 2 weeks ago, I started hearing strange noises at night. Not voices, just soft movement. Footsteps, around 3 a.m. every night. I thought it was just echoes from another unit, but the pattern didn't match anyone else in the building. I placed my phone on the floor and started recording. The audio picked up slow, deliberate steps, sometimes dragging, sometimes quick. It wasn't random. It felt intentional. My neighbor laughed it off until I played it for him. 2 days later, I heard it again. But this time, it wasn't just footsteps. It was tapping from directly beneath the bathroom floor, right where I was standing, brushing my teeth. Repetitive, calm, like someone knew I was there. I waited until 3 a.m. the next night. I stood still, in silence. The tapping returned, almost on cue. I went downstairs, but the door to the empty apartment was locked. Lights off, no sound, no signs of anyone inside. When I got back to my flat, there was a single tap. Not from below, from the hallway behind me.